You dream as a kid that, you find a buried treasure. And it happened. It was unbelievable. When you keep zooming, you could see there's a safe right there. Of course, I didn't know it was a safe. I just thought it was some electrical box. Hundreds and jewelry, diamonds, engagement ring, dozens of rings, gold with jade. It was stunning. First, I knocked on the door and I asked them if they were ever robbed, and they said they were.
What was their reaction? I mean, this is years without all of this money.
Well, she was shaking.
And they were told, the cops told her, you'll never see your stuff again. A couple people have said to us, why did you return it? But it wasn't even a question. It wasn't ours.
So did you get a reward?
Not yet. I guess the reward is karma. Good karma.